How does YouTube Premium Family Plan work? In this video session, I'm going to show you what YouTube Premium Family Membership is all about. Now, whether you already are subscribed to YouTube Basic Membership and you're thinking to upgrade to the Family Plan, how it works is basically you pay a monthly fee, subscription fee to YouTube, and then you can invite family members that will fall within your premium membership account. As in, they will be able to log into their own YouTube channel and enjoy the benefits the family plan offers you. And the main benefits are you don't see any ads. So when you upgrade to family plan, you'll have new menu options when you log into YouTube. You can see your premium benefits. Basically, it shows you how many hours of videos you watched and so on. So let's press on purchases and membership so that I can show you what this is about. The paid membership, you can press on manage membership. Here we have option to deactivate our membership if we want and change the payment method. But we also have family sharing settings. So let's press on that. Then what you can do is send invitation. Now, it's very important that we understand how YouTube accounts work at this moment. Basically, you log into your YouTube account using one email address, correct? Then, when you want to invite family members, you simply press on send invitation, and then you can type your family members' email address, and they will receive an email to accept your invitation to your YouTube family plan. You can invite up to 5 people who reside within your household. Now, the common question is, okay, if I invite a family member to access YouTube Premium membership that you manage, can they see your activity on YouTube? As in what you watched, what you downloaded, what you liked, commented on, and so on. They cannot see that because they will be using their own email address to log into their own YouTube channel. Make sense? Then we have an option here. It says manage family group. Let's press on that. Now, one thing that I'd like to point out at this stage is if you have young children, perhaps teenagers as well, YouTube Premium Family Membership option offers you parental controls. You download an app which is called the Family Link, whereby you have options to set screen limits and better educate your young children as to how to enjoy YouTube. So that's basically how YouTube Premium Family Membership works. I'll actually be creating a new blog post whereby I'll provide a bit more insights as to prices and so on. In Australia, currently in 2024, I'm paying $32.99 per month. That may seem a bit hefty for some people, but at the end of the day, you don't see any ads. And if you or your family members use YouTube on regular basis, then perhaps you should consider upgrading to family plan. I thank you for learning with Renkia, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.